Today we're going to be showing you how we have rear seat entertainment working in a 2015 Lexus LX 570. We're using the VLine, the LEX78T VL2, and we've got an adapter here that's using our HDMI output from the VLine. It's also being charged from the VLine or powered by the VLine via the USB at the VLine. And we've got that ran to here, so this is our HDMI output. It's converting it to an AV component signal, so we've got 3 RCAs coming out of here, and we've got those connected in the rear, so we'll show you that. Alright, so we've got our rear seat entertainment plugs right here. This is our adapter, so these are the RCAs coming straight from it. We've got them plugged in accordingly to color, and once you have that hooked up, you'll just be plugging in the power here. We're using power from the VLine. It's just a micro USB. And then we've got the HDMI here that's getting the signal from the VLine's HDMI output. Once we have those plugged in, we ran it back here, plugged in, and then it'll show up under the AV input.